When it comes to cancer treatment, it's important to know exactly what your options are. So choosing a place with comprehensive care is key. Please welcome Dr. Lauren Stegman and Dr. Asma Anwar of Palo Verde Cancer Specialists with how their treatment center might be the right choice for you. Great to have both of you here. And it is a scary time, you know, for folks when they get that diagnosis. What does it mean that you are a comprehensive center?
So at Palo Verde, we offer comprehensive cancer treatment, a multidisciplinary approach, and cutting-edge treatment all under one roof. So we have medical oncologists, we have radiation oncologists, we have therapists, basically all resources under one roof. For example, this is our radiation oncologist and I'm a medical oncologist. Our offices are right next to each other, so we talk to each other about the patient.
So you're a team.
We are a team,
you're
absolutely.
Fighting for me. All of that information is being passed along amongst the team, and so I don't have to run around.
No, you don't have to drive to different offices, so there are no delays, there's no miscommunication.
And I can imagine for the patient, Dr. Stegman, that's peace of mind.
Absolutely, it's peace of mind. It's having kind of your medical home, a place where everyone knows you, where whether you're going for your radiation appointment or your chemo appointment or your immune therapy appointment, the staff knows you and you feel like you have your team there and they share all those experiences that you're going through with you. It's a big help.
Yeah, it's a big help. And you all are doctor-owned and operated and patient-centered. How is that good for me as a patient?
Yeah, well, I mean, the way I look at it is that we really take ownership of the facility, but as owners, we can only be as good as what our whole team is. And so, you know, we are there to make sure that our employees are happy, that our employees know how important they are. We can only be as good as they are, and everyone is part of that team. And it's not a big institution where people are coming and going and where, you know, you see different people and can get lost.
You don't feel that personal touch probably someplace else. What do patients share with you? You're shaking your head because I'm sure you hear this quite a bit.
Yes, so you know, recently a patient mentioned that when she came in, you know, our receptionist greeted her by her name and she really liked that. So, you know, you're not a number, this is not a big factory. So we are able to provide, you know, all the cutting edge treatments, but with more of a personal touch.
Yeah, and you're going to come back in the second segment this morning to talk about one of those cutting edge treatments that you offer. But I want to talk about the emotional part of healing when you're going through a cancer diagnosis. Because you guys give patients that peace of mind, how does emotion play into recovery?
So I believe that cancer is about living. It's not about dying. So I encourage a positive mental attitude, and that takes, you know, a long way. So whenever I'm talking to the patients, I give them all the treatment options, and then, you know, I talk to them to see what fits their lifestyle, fits them best.
Right, and do you feel the same way, Dr. Stegman?
Absolutely, it's all about learning about your options. We're there as educators and caregivers and help people make the best decisions for themselves. And, you know, we always are asked this as oncologists, how do you do that job? And there is sadness in our job.
It's
and
hard.
We all end up dying someday. Right. But the goal is to make what life that you have as long and as best as possible, and to be there with people through those experiences, which is a real privilege and honor.
Yeah, and to know that your team is fighting on your side. Okay, they're going to come back in a little bit later to talk about one of their cutting edge treatments. You got to hear about this for lung cancer. Palo Verde Cancer Specialists, they are located at 7373 North Scottsdale Road, Suite E100 in Scottsdale. Give them a call to book an appointment, 480-941-1211, or visit the website pvhomed.com.